Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. Students, let us discuss an assignment key with the help of interesting diagrams and solutions. Students, we have been learning control and coordination, central nervous system, isn't it? Let us see the first question, write about the weight of brain. The human male brain, it weighs about 1375 grams, and whereas human female brain weighs up to 1275 grams, isn't it? The brain is an important structure which helps in control and coordination with other organ systems. Brain has many functions. What are those functions? Already we have learned and we are going to discuss in the further classes. Clear students? Going to second question. How much energy is used by the brain in the whole body energy? Total together, the brain utilizes 20% of the bodily produced energy. How much energy? 20% of the energy is utilized by the brain. Clear students? And third question, let us go for third question. How brain is protected? Externally brain is get protected by a box-like structure or box-like case-like structure, box or case, which is called as a cranium. Cranium is made up of bones which gives protection to different locations of the brain from external shocks and injuries. Clear students? Internally, brain gets protected by three major membranes called meninges. Meninges plural word, the meninx singular word, meninx singular word. There are three major membranes or meninges seen in the brain, namely dura mater, pia mater, arachnoid matter. In between pia mater and arachnoid matter, cerebrospinal fluid or CSF, cerebrospinal fluid or CSF fluid is seen, which gives protection to brain from internal shocks and injuries. At the same time, CSF provides nutritional requirements to the brain cells. Nutritional requirements, nothing but nutrients which are required to brain, provided by cerebrospinal fluid. Clear students? Going for fourth question. What are the divisions of the brain? What are the major divisions or major important structures of the locations of the brain? Brain has majorly three major or three important divisions. What are those? Let us see. First important division is, let us take the first important division, forebrain, which is an frontal region of the brain, and second division is midbrain or middle brain, which is a second region of the brain, division of the brain. Third one, the hindbrain, which is third division of the brain. What are the major organs that are seen in the forebrain? The major organs which are seen in the forebrain, respectively, the forebrain is having cerebrum as a major important structure, diencephalon as a second important organ or structure which is seen in the forebrain. Midbrain is having corpora quadrigemina as a major important structural unit of midbrain, whereas hindbrain is having cerebellum as a major unit, and next one is medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata, the major important structures of the hindbrain. Clear students? These are the three major divisions and their important structures of the brain. Going for fifth question. What is the function of medulla oblongata? What are the major important functions of medulla oblongata? Medulla oblongata control and coordinates with certain kind of movements in our body. What are those? First one is, it is responsible for regulation of respiratory and breathing movements, whereas cardiovascular activities, cardiovascular activities, and also um, constriction, vasodilation, vasoconstriction, which means constriction of blood vessels and constriction of the blood vessels. And not only this, sneezing, and vomiting, and also other kind of movements like coughing, even the coughing, all these functions are under the control of the medulla oblongata. These many functions are regulated by the medulla oblongata. Clear, students? This is an interesting, exciting key for this assignment. Remaining we are going to discuss in the further classes. Until be safe, students. Thank you. Have a nice day.